In this video, I will be showing you how to use Claude AI API using a curl command. The major advantage is we can test different models without using any code. The prerequisite is going to be you must have some Claude AI API credits. So to know how to pay and get them, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. Just search for Claude console and you'll be having the official link. Select it and make sure that you are signing in and have enough Claude credits. Here we will be having documentation. Open it and in the documentation select messages and here we can select quick start. Here we are having called the API. The first one is the curl command. So this is that particular curl command that we can use, and they are asking us to set the API key over here. If you want, you can set it, or else you can directly put the API key over here. That's up to you. So we can use this curl command in two places. One is in Postman directly, or if you want, you can use it from the command prompt itself. So I will show you for both. So let me just now copy it and go here to Notepad. I'll just paste it and I will just open Postman. I hope you are having it. Here we'll be having import in the home. So click on import and just paste the curl command. This will automatically set everything from the body till the post call, the URL, the headers, everything will be set automatically over here. So if you want to change the model, you can change it. If you want to change the content, you can change it. You can even add multiple parameters over here. I will just go with 2-line poem like this. And now let's see how we can choose the models, because that is also an important thing. So click on this drop down and here we are having models and pricing. Open it and if you go to pricing here, we'll be having all the models from Claude and their pricing per million tokens. So if you go to model overview, you'll be having the latest model comparison also. So I will just go with the Claude Haiku model. We can simply change it over here. Yep, that is fine. And final thing is we need to add our Anthropic API key. So to do that, just go to the dashboard, get API key, create API key, just have a name, click on add, copy the key and store it somewhere, because once copied you won't be able to view it again. And we can simply remove this, put the key over here, and that's it. Now if I simply click on send, we will be getting the response. So here inside content text, I've got the 2-line poem. This works perfectly. So now let's see how we can use the same using command prompt itself if you don't want to try using Postman. So we need to make a few changes over here. So I will just copy this and go to Claude or any other AI chat and I will just say alter it. I want to use it in CMD. So this will do a few changes and it will give ready the command prompt version, something like this. So these are the changes that it has made. So I will just copy it and go to here, put it here. So few things that we need to change here are the model as well as the prompt. Okay, I've just changed that. So I have just added the API key over here, changed the model and as well as changed the prompt. So if you are facing any issues, you can simply paste it to any AI chat and get it sorted out. So let me just now copy this and I will open command prompt, paste it and hit enter. And we have got the response. Okay, so here is the poem, the 2-line poem is over here. This is kind of difficult to read, but if you try it in Postman, it will be getting beautifully formatted out. And here we are having so many metadata, the model name, the ID, the number of tokens used, input tokens, number of output tokens. So you can calculate your cost based upon this. And apart from these input parameters, there are so much going on. If you go to the documentation over here, messages, we are having the extended thinking, adaptive thinking, effort, structured outputs, streaming messages, batch processing. There are a lot of things going on over here. You can just check that out. That's a video, guys. do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.